Y'all know what we on, man. We pulling to the what? Hey, what we pulling to up?
Rick Ross car show. We headed to the car show.
Come on. Come on, man. This is what we do.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get out the house for a minute. Then tomorrow I'm gonna fire the grill up. And shit, nigga, I be just around there chilling, boy.
Yeah, me too, bro. I be living life, bro.
Living life.
That house make you feel like a jail, ain't it?
Well, I did a lot of time in jail, but once you got everything you wanted, but now I don't feel like jail, because I got everything I want in that motherfucker. I ain't have everything I want in jail.
Yeah.
I got everything I want.
How old this horse is right here?
He's 7.
7? In this train? Who train?
Shit, man, we outside with it. We on our way to that car show with the real horsepower, man. Tap in with us. We definitely outside with it.
Hey, tell them I got my shirt on, man.
Man, look, I'm all black, man. Call me Shaq tonight, man.
I like, okay. Ew, okay.
We definitely with it.
Yes, sir. Show yourself.
Yep.
Romeo outside.
Got old Romeo and whatchamacallit.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, we about to have some fun.
Yeah, let's do it.
We about to have some fun. Let's get us to this car show.
You think everybody would look?
Yes, sir.
See, he'll walk over we home, boy. I want to live like that in the future, boy. Ain't no cap. It's not really dope. You heard me. It's really dope. You heard me. Hey, we go right all the way down there. We go right all the way down there.
You want to go all the way down there?
Chanta? They like they don't want no water.
Right, where's some water?
That could have been in our stomach, man.
Man, look.
You heard me. Man, they record us. Yeah, we outside.
Damn, she bad.
Yeah. Hey,
Damn, she bad.
hey, the girl be biting. I had to get out the house today. We had to pull up to the promised land. I got them some water, but they didn't drink none of this.
They didn't even drink the water. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at this Rolls Royce right here, Bert.
Show yourself. We outside. We got everybody outside today, man. What? Like, this just gotta be like, this gotta be a movie we doing or something. Everybody be safe. Nothing happened to nobody. Everybody. You heard me. Appreciate that, my brother. So y'all boy straight.
Yes, sir.